In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free shipping coupon in WooCommerce. Whether you're running an online store or just starting out with WooCommerce, offering free shipping is a great way to incentivize your customers and boost sales. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a free shipping coupon step by step, ensuring it works seamlessly within your store's shipping settings. I'll guide you through the entire process, so even if you're new to WordPress or WooCommerce, don't worry, you'll have everything set up in no time. Let's get started. First, start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the WooCommerce tab. Click on that to open the WooCommerce menu, which is where all your store settings are managed. From there, select Settings to access the main configuration panel for your store. Once inside the settings, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Look for the Shipping tab and click on it. Now that you're in the shipping settings, you'll see a section for shipping zones. Shipping zones are important because they define the areas where your shipping methods apply. Locate the shipping zone where you want to offer free shipping and click the Edit link next to it. If you don't already have a zone created, you'll need to add one. You can do this by clicking Add Shipping Zone and giving it a name that makes sense for the area you're targeting, like domestic or United States. Once inside the shipping zone editor, you'll need to add a shipping method to enable free shipping. To do this, click the Add Shipping Method button. A pop-up will appear with a drop-down menu from the options. Select Free Shipping and then click Add. This will add the free shipping method to your zone. Now click Continue to move to the configuration screen for free shipping. Here's where you'll set up the conditions for free shipping. Look for the Free Shipping Requires drop-down menu. Click it and select a valid free shipping coupon. This ensures that free shipping will only apply when a customer uses a specific coupon code at checkout. Once you've made this selection, save your changes. Next, we'll create the actual coupon that customers will use to access free shipping. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and find the Marketing section on the left-hand menu. Under Marketing, click on Coupons. This will take you to the Coupon Management area. To create a new coupon, click the Add Coupon button at the top. You'll now see a screen where you can enter the details for your coupon. In the field labeled Coupon Code, type in the code you want your customers to use. For example, you could use something simple like Ship Free or anything else you prefer. Don't worry about the discount type or coupon amount fields. Since this coupon is for free shipping, those settings won't apply. Next, scroll down to the Coupon Data section and check the box for Allow Free Shipping. This is a crucial step because it tells WooCommerce that this coupon unlocks free shipping. After that, navigate to the Usage Restriction tab. Here you can set a minimum spend amount for the coupon. For instance, if you want to offer free shipping only on orders over $50, you can set that amount here. This helps ensure that you don't lose money on smaller orders while still rewarding larger purchases. Once you've set your minimum spend, move over to the Usage Limits tab. In this section, you can control how many times the coupon can be used in total or limit it to one use per customer. This is useful if you want to prevent people from using the coupon excessively. Finally, once all your settings are in place, click the Publish button to make the coupon live on your store. That's it. You've successfully created a free shipping coupon in WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Happy selling!